4 benefits of drinking beer. Expert research has found that regular, moderate beer intake 1 to 2 cups, 12 ounces, 350 milliliters of beer per day, is beneficial for both men and women. The following 5 benefits you dream of, beer can bring you. Number 1. Maintain heart health. A large number of studies have shown that moderate drinking, including beer, can reduce the risk of heart disease. Among men with a healthy lifestyle, moderate drinkers have a 40% to 60% lower risk of heart attack than abstainers. Number 2. Protect blood vessels. Researchers found that men with high blood pressure who drink beer in moderation have a reduced risk of fatal and non-fatal heart attacks. Drinking beer in moderation can also help prevent thrombosis and prevent ischemic strokes. Number 3. Improve cognitive ability. Is beer good for the brain? The answer is yes. Studies have shown that moderate drinking may enable women to obtain better cognitive abilities. Elderly people over the age of 65 drink 1 to 6 glasses of alcoholic beverages per week. Compared with prohibition and alcoholism, the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease is lower. Number 4. Reduce the risk of diabetes. Diabetics who drink moderately can also reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Light drinking habits can help protect people with type 2 diabetes. This may be because drinking alcohol increases insulin sensitivity or anti-inflammatory effects. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.